To transfer cryptocurrency from one device to another, start by opening the app or website associated with the sending device. From the left sidebar, navigate to the Accounts page and select the type of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Once you've chosen the cryptocurrency, click on the Send button, which will prompt a window to appear. In this window, you'll need to enter the recipient's address. So open the app associated with the receiving device and click on the Deposit button on the home screen. Then, select the Deposit Crypto option and choose the same type of cryptocurrency you're transferring. Search for the specific cryptocurrency, select the network you want to use, and click OK. You'll then be able to obtain the wallet address, which you should copy and paste into the recipient address field on the sending device. If a tag or memo is required, copy and paste it into the corresponding field. If no tag is provided, you can leave this area blank. Click Continue. Then enter the amount you want to transfer and click Continue again. Verify that the wallet address and amount are correct. Then confirm the action. Finally, confirm the operation on your device by pressing the required buttons, and the cryptocurrency will be transferred from the sending device to the receiving device.